Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or modify the options for marking an email as read in Microsoft Outlook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Options on the left panel. Select Mail on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down. On the right side where it says Outlook panes, customize how items are marked as read when using the reading pane. Select reading pane. So if you want to mark items as read when selection changes, so if you select one of the mail items and you move on to the next mail item, it's check marked, so that means it'll be marked as read. If you don't want it to do that action automatically, you can uncheck it. Also, single key reading using the space bar. So if you're using the space bar and then just click on the space bar. So if you're reading the email and you click the space bar, it'll mark the email as read. You can also uncheck that option. And then you would select OK if you wanted to save that change. And you could also mark items as read when viewed in the reading pane as well if you just want to keep that check marked. Otherwise, you can turn that off, which it is set by default. And then you would select OK. And that's pretty much it, guys. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.